Hey kindergarten, it's Wednesday. We are back here to continue our lesson on, what have we been talking about? Five senses, that's right. Let's just kind of recap real quick. Our five senses are hearing, smell, taste, sight, and touch. We've learned about things we can hear. Did you go out yesterday and listen to see what you could hear? I did. I went out and sat, and I could hear Paisley playing, and I could hear her and Gracie hitting balls. I could hear the birds chirping. We have a bird out in our tree that has laid his eggs, and he was chirping. I could hear my dogs barking. I hope you went out there. And I touched the grass, and the grass was kind of cool because it was cold last night, or the night before anyway. So, all right, boys and girls, so we hear things. It's very important that we know what's going around us so we can hear what's going on. We touch things so that we know how they feel and if they're hot and cold. And we see things like the rainbow and the flowers. And so that was 3. So today we're going to talk about the 4th one. What do you think the 4th one is that we're going to talk about? My favorite, because we all love to eat. So we're going to learn about taste. What do we use to taste with? We use our tongue. And see these little dots that I've drawn on our tongue? Those are called taste buds. And those taste buds is how we taste our food and how we know what it tastes like. So we use our tongue to taste, and it tells us if things are sweet, if things are sour, if things are spicy or hot, like salsa. I don't like really spicy salsa, but I like it mild. But some people like it really, really spicy. Takis. I know a lot of you guys like Takis. My kids love Takis. Those are spicy hot. So we use our taste buds to tell if those are hot, spicy. And we taste things that are bitter. Lemons. Lemons are bitter, but I love lemons. And salty. Things that are salty like peanuts. Alright, so let's talk about those. What are some things that we can taste that are sweet? Let's see. Let's write some of these down. Sweet. We are going to write the word sweet. Alright. Sweet. What are things that are sweet? One of my favorites is, let's see, watermelon. Watermelon. What about candy? We've got some candy that is sweet. But candy can be sour and bitter too, because Paisley likes that sour spray. I don't like it, but Paisley does. So things that are sweet are watermelon, candy, sweet tea. One of my favorites. All right, what about sour? Lemons and that sour candy spray. All right, and we've already talked about Takis being spicy and hot and salsa, but I love me some salsa and pico. Yum, yum. And what about bitter? Bitter. If you bite into the lemon core, this peeling, it's bitter. And then we have salty. Peanuts are salty. Peanuts, bitter. Let's see, we go back to bitter real quick. Bitter is the rind of the lemon. And then let's go ahead and we'll do spicy or hot. We're going to put salsa, or like I said, Takis. Alright, boys and girls, let's think of something. I had tacos for dinner last night. So I had, my taco meat was kind of spicy, not really. My tomatoes, they were sweet, but I had pico. And pico was kind of hot and spicy. And the cheese, it wasn't hot. It was mild. And I drank sweet tea because it was sweet. So what are some of the things that you like to eat? Do you like spicy food? Do you like sweet stuff like cakes and cookies? I like fruit. Fruit is sweet. There's some fruit that's sour though. Lemons. And let's see, what else is something that's sour? Oh, remember when we had those oranges for snack and they were, whoo, you guys were like, whoo, these are too sour. Those were sour, but most of the times oranges are sweet. But not that day. That day they were sour. You're right. All right, boys and girls, I want you to think about what you eat today and think about, is it salty? Is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it bitter? Or is it spicy? Think about it and talk it over with your parents. All right, boys and girls, I will see you back here tomorrow, and we'll be talking about the very last sense of the 5 senses that we have. Do you know what it is? Think about it. Which one have we not talked about yet? And we'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye, boys and girls. Have a great day. Go outside and play. It's going to be really, really warm today. Have fun. Run. Get all that energy out. All right, bye. Bye, kiddos.